That harsh clunking or jerky shifting in your 2021 or newer GMC Sierra 2500 HD with the 10-speed Allison can be fixed by resetting the transmission adaptive values. The transmission control module constantly learns your driving habits, but software glitches or heavy hauling can cause it to learn bad habits that ruin shift quality. This issue usually causes a hard downshift when stopping or a delayed harsh upshift in lower gears. Many owners assume the transmission is failing and needs a complete rebuild. Before authorizing an expensive teardown, address the electronic adaptation first, as this 10-speed relies heavily on precise clutch volume indexes to operate smoothly. To clear this bad memory, you need an advanced OBD2 scanner with bidirectional control capabilities. Plug it into the port under the driver's side dash and open the transmission control module menu. Select the option to reset the transmission adaptive values while the truck is in park with the engine off and the ignition in the run position. Once cleared, you must perform a fast learn procedure to teach the transmission its baseline pressures. Start the engine, get the transmission fluid to operating temperature, firmly press the brake pedal, and initiate the fast learn with your scanner. The truck will lurch and clunk as it cycles through the gears, which is completely normal during calibration. After the fast learn, take the truck for a test drive using light to moderate throttle so the module can fine-tune its shifts. Avoid aggressive acceleration or heavy towing for the first 50 miles to ensure the clutches seat properly. If the harsh shifting returns later, you may have a mechanical valve body issue or need a software update from General Motors.